Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone battery charging jumps 5 to 20% suddenly. Don't panic, this is a common battery calibration issue. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Use an original charger. Always use an original or certified charging cable or adapter. Cheap chargers send uneven power causing battery percentage jumps. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary battery reading errors. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Step 3. Turn off low power mode. Go to settings, then battery. Turn off low power mode while charging. It can interfere with accurate battery readings. Step 4. Calibrate battery. Use your iPhone until it reaches 0% and shuts down. Leave it off for 30 minutes, then charge uninterrupted to 100%. Keep it plugged in for 30 more minutes. This resets the battery percentage accuracy. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Update fix charging and battery display box. Step 6. Check battery health. Go to settings, then battery health and charging. If maximum capacity is below 80%, battery jumps are normal. Step 7. Avoid fast charging when battery is very low. Fast chargers can cause sudden jumps at low percentage. Use normal charging when below 20%. If battery jumps continue, your battery may be degraded and needs replacement. And that's it. Follow those steps to fix sudden battery percentage jumps. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.